Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to restart your iPhone. If you want to restart your iPhone, so there are four different ways to do this. First way is that you just have to pull down your screen control. If you have the latest version of iOS, so you'll get the power option in the top right corner. You just have to tap on it, and after that it will ask you to shut down your phone, just like this. You just have to let it try to power off. The second way is that you have to press the volume up and the power button at the same time and press and hold them, and after that this type pop-up will show. You just have to slide it to power off. And the third way is that you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go for general. In general, just scroll down, and here you'll get this option of shutdown. Just select it and then slide it to power off. When your phone will be powered off, you have to press and hold the power button until the Apple logo won't show to power on your phone. And the last step is that you do have a simple trick to make a quick restart your phone. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. First volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your screen won't be fully blacked. Just wait for it. And here you can see my screen has been fully black. Now wait until the Apple logo won't show. And here you can see the Apple logo has been appeared. Now wait for it to re-power on, and this way you can easily make a quick restart your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.